Sean Murray from Cullyfad, Kilo, County Longford here. Farming here along with my wife and a Suckler farm, setting the calves off as weanlings from roughly 10 to 12 months old. We're having a Suckler farm walk here on Tuesday the 2nd of September at 6:30, and we're hoping that we'll have a large turnout. Everyone is welcome to come on the day.
Nathan McCartan here from Teagasc Longford. We'll be hosting an event here on Sean and Anne Murray's farm. So topics that will be covered on the evening will include the management of the calf at Weanling. We'll be also bringing in guest speakers, including local vet, and to talk about calf health, a local Mart Manager to talk about the beef trade going forward. Also, local advisors will be talking in regards to beef schemes, including beef welfare and the SCEP scheme, TAMS as well. Everyone's welcome on Tuesday the 2nd September at 6:30 p.m.